In this video, I want to show you where is the fuse box located in your Dodge Caliber. So there's no there's no fuse box inside of the cabin. Okay, usually there's one over here, but they decided to put it only under the hood. So you're gonna open the hood of the car, and if we look on the right side, this is where the fuse box is located. It's held by clips, so you just have to unclip here, remove this, and you're gonna have the fuse box, obviously. But on the other side of this panel, you're gonna find a number for each fuses. So as it says here, check your manual and you'll know which one is which. It will be very easy to identify them this way. Once you're done, you simply need to put back the cover, make sure it stays in place, and this is about it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.